Have you ever thought about what would happen if your car's infotainment screen could run a fully functional Android operating system? Well, with the AutoPro X from Maiden, you can do exactly that. If you have a Samsung phone and are familiar with Samsung Dex, this device turns your car's screen into a powerful Dex platform, allowing you to use every single feature of your phone right on your car's display. It essentially turns your car's screen into a PC. Let's take a look at the device itself. The unboxing experience is very minimal. Inside the box, you'll find some paperwork and the AutoPro X device itself. It's very well finished, high quality device with a sleek matte finish on the top and bottom. The device is compact and highly portable. You'll also find a couple of cables in the box. There is a USB-C cable if your car has a USB-C port and a USB-A cable if your car has a standard USB-A port. To get started, you'll need to connect the device to your phone using the AutoPro X app, which you can download from the Play Store. Once you have downloaded the app, you can then seamlessly connect the device to your phone. The app allows you to carry out certain functions and change a few settings on the device. So here is how the whole process works. As soon as you'll connect the AutoPro X device to your car's USB port, your car's infotainment screen will display a notification. Tap on it and follow the simple, straightforward steps. The device will appear in your car's Bluetooth settings right next to your phone. Tap on it and you'll get two options: Android Auto or AutoPro X. Select AutoPro X. The final step is to turn on Samsung Dex on your phone. As soon as you turn on Samsung Dex, the display on your car screen will instantly change to the Dex interface. Now that you have Samsung Dex interface on your car screen, you might be wondering, what can I do with this? Well, the good news is it's fully functional Samsung Dex platform. Everything you can do with a Samsung Dex on a monitor or a TV, you can now do on your car screen. You can open and watch videos on YouTube, watch movies on Netflix or Prime Video. You can go through PDF files and work on Word documents. If you connect a keyboard to your phone, you can even type and get work done directly on your car's screen. Any app that you can open on your phone, you can open on the Dex screen. This behaves exactly like a Dex platform. Apps will open in a small window. You can resize them, expand to full screen or minimize them. You'll have an app drawer, a home button, and panels for notifications, quick settings, and calendar. You can also add any app from the app drawer to the desktop for easy access. The AutoPro X app also gives you the ability to change different screen layouts and aspect ratios to best fit your car's display. On some cars, especially those with smaller screens, the elements and icons on the Dex interface may appear very small, making them difficult to use with touch controls. The touch panel on some cars may also not be very responsive. However, there are a couple of solutions to this. You can use your phone as a mouse. When you enable this setting from the notification panel, a cursor will appear on the car screen. You can then use your phone's display as a trackpad to move the cursor around, navigate Samsung Dex, and open or close apps. This offers a much better experience compared to trying to tap small icons. Or you can also use a voice assistant like Bixby to control various aspects of Samsung Dex. Another impressive feature is the ability to launch split screen mode. You can do this from the app or by pressing the button on the device itself. This is great for productivity, as it allows you to use two apps side by side on your car's screen. So here are my final thoughts and some pros and cons that I've come across. You can use your entire phone and all of its features on your car screen. The possibilities are truly endless, from editing documents to playing games. This device is small and compact, so you can easily store it in your car when you're not using it. And the split screen mode is a fantastic benefit for being productive, allowing you to multitask effectively. However, on smaller car displays, icons can be tiny and difficult to tap accurately, and the quality of the touch panel on some cars can be an issue. And lastly, watching videos or movies while driving can cause significant distraction, especially for the driver. So for your daily commute, it's best to stick to Android Auto to ensure a distraction-free drive. However, for long road trips or when you are waiting in your car, the AutoPro X is perfect. Passengers can enjoy movies and entertainment, and you can even get some work done on your car's screen. This device is a fantastic and must-have accessory to add to your car. It opens up a lot of possibilities and adds new capabilities to your car's entertainment screen. That's about it from this video, guys. I hope you've enjoyed this one. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.